Hey guys, just got the newest update from Tesla. It came with the new Beach Buggy Racing 2. I just wanted to show you how it works really quick. So basically it uses your steering wheel and your brake pedal and then the buttons in order to do all the controls. It's actually a lot of fun and it's kind of a real video game in my car. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I've already played a couple of the levels and we'll go ahead and do this third level I just unlocked and check it out. So here's the game. Alright, so to control the car, the gas, it just goes. And then to brake, you actually use the brake in your car, and then to steer the car, you move the steering wheel left and right. As you can see, it's got a few spots to use power-ups. Those are actually the buttons on the steering wheel. You get one boost, and then every time you kind of run through these question marks, you get a couple different extras. So the handling, it's pretty touchy. So little movements moves the car quite a bit. Somebody just scrambled me. So it's pretty fun. I'm clearly not doing very good right now. But yeah, so again, just one more reason to love a Tesla. They've just got so many silly little things that you never think of that aren't necessary but are a lot of fun. So still working on my 3D printer video, and it's just been really busy. So I'll get a new video out to you guys sooner, but I just wanted to get this out to you quick because it's pretty cool and I wanted to share it with you guys. Alright, thanks for coming back to my channel. Please hit like, and if you're new, subscribe. If you want to see more, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, bye.